Our discussion is all about addition and subtraction of decimals. But first, let's answer this. Why do we need to learn decimals? Of course, so that we can understand how decimal works and how to apply it in real life. And how can you apply decimals in real life situations? Well, every day we use decimals when we deal with money, measurements such as length, width, and so on. It is used when exact amount is needed than the whole number can provide. Let's discuss addition of decimals first. So here are the steps in adding decimals. First, you align decimal points and the digits belong to the same place value. We have here an example. What is 0.45 added to 134.634? So all you need is to align the decimal point of the addend. So we have 0.45, and we also align this 134. Okay, align the decimals properly. Then next is align the digits properly as well. Put zeros on the empty place values in the decimal part of each number. We need to add 0 here with the empty place value to have the same number of decimal places. Then add the numbers from right to left, just like adding whole numbers. So we have 4, this is 8, this is 10, carry 1, 5, 3, and 1. Then align the decimal point in the sum as in the addends. So our answer is 135.084. Next, here are the steps in subtracting decimals. We have aligned the decimal points and the digits belonging to the same place value. So it's like the same as the rules in addition. So we have here, what is 499.95 subtracted from 5,000? So since it says here subtracted from, so our new unit is 5,000. Then we subtract it to 499.95. Then, as you can see, there is no decimal point in 5,000 since it is a whole number, but there's an invisible decimal point at the end. You may put the decimal point at the end of the value. It doesn't change the number, it's still 5,000. Then you can now align it to 499.95. Then, to align the digits properly, put zeros on the empty place value in the decimal part of each number to have the same number of decimal places. Then subtract, just like subtracting whole numbers from right to left. So we have here 0 minus 5. So we need to regroup this. We have 10 minus 5. This is 5. Then this is 9. Another 9, 9, 9. And this is 4. Since we regroup that. 9 minus 9, that's 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 4, that is 5. Then 4. Put it here. Then align the decimal point in the difference. So if you want to check if your answer is correct, you may add the subtrahend and the difference and make sure that you will be able to get this answer, which is 5,000. So we have 10, carry 1, 10, carry 1, 10, carry 1, 10, carry 1, 10, carry 1. Okay, so a total of 5,000. Then our answer is 4,500.05. Let's have more examples here. So we have what is 1.7 added to 20.1468 and 0.11. So we align properly the decimal point, and we have 20, and also align the decimal places and the place value. We also have 0.11, and for those with empty place value, we may add 0 here so that we will not get confused, and we can add per place value. So we have 8, 6, 5, 9, Then you put the decimal point, align it also and 2. Then this is our answer, 21.9568. Next, what is the value of n in the equation? We have 95 minus 4.691 plus 21.034. So we subtract first. We have 95, and our decimal point in 95 is at the end, so that we can align this 4.691. We may add 0 for the empty place value, and we subtract first. Okay, we need to regroup. So this is 10, this is 9, this is 9, this is 4. Okay, so 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, this is 3. Then align the decimal point here. In the difference, 4 minus 4 is 0, this is 9. And after that, whatever is the answer here, we add it to 21.034. We have 13, carry 1, 4, 3, decimal point, then 1, 9, 11. So our answer is 111.343. So again, it's very important to align the decimal point and the place values when you add or subtract numbers or decimal numbers. This is because we have to add the tens to the tens, the ones to the ones, the tens to the tens, the hundreds to the hundreds, and so on. You try these examples. Let's see if your answers are correct for number 1. The answer is 60.33125, and for number 2, we have 14.549.